TikTok Lite version 21.5.1 APK download. Is it safe or are you installing malware? So first, what is v21.51 exactly? Official developer listed at TikTok Lite save data fast 21.5.1 by TikTok PTE Ltd, a low bandwidth variant of the main app. Safe to download equals not guarantee. So the bandage of APK mirrors a site-level claim, not an independent audit of the APK's content. It reflects the platform reputation, not the file itself. So malware scans what they showed and what they didn't. So 0.13 detection, a duty scan on TikTok, uh, version 21.5.2 modified APK returned zero malware flags. Wrong version, the scan was for the v21.52, not v21.51, and labeled modified, meaning it's different build entirely. So the bigger risk may not be malware. So research by Mozilla.ai Forensics found TikTok Lite omits key user protection, presents the main app, no content filtering, no harmful content labels, no AI generated content flags. How to install safely and what to watch for. Verify build, scan app, assess UX, verify the exact build, check the version numbers and source. Verify it's safe. Badge for one version doesn't apply to another. Scan your specific APK, run the exact file through virus tool or Jyoti before installing, not a similar or modified build. Not malware is not equal to safe experience. Missing contents controls can increase exposed to harmful addictive materials even in a clean APK. There you guys, hope you guys like the video, enjoyed it. If you have any question, concerns, stop it, watch and below guys, stop it as soon as possible, and thank you guys.